Hey, welcome back to the RC Driver 2 channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at some of Cow RC's newer products that they have available. We use a lot of Cow RC here for our maintenance, such as their cleaners and greases and their pit mats, and they have a new pit mat in their offerings. It's the Mousepad Pit Mat, and this thing is pretty cool for assembling and even maintaining your vehicles. Let's take a closer look at it. Here it is on my 24 by 48 inch workbench here. Fits perfectly. I think I might leave it here for a lot of my builds, but this is the full setup. This is the magnetic version. They also offer the Mousepad mat by itself, and let me give you guys a quick peek at that. It looks pretty cool. It's got the Cow RC logo on it, the cowrc.com Maintenance King up along the top, but the cool part is this magnetic setup that you could get for it. The parts trays, the main magnetic mat, and another parts tray mat over here. This is the dry erase style mat, so if you're building differentials, you can go right on the mat with a dry erase marker, what the differential weight oil is, put it here, and build. It's just a convenient way to build things, or if you need something, you can write down, hey, I need that part or whatever. So I really like this version because the Mousepad mat by itself, when you're just maybe at the track or something like that, provides a nice soft surface, where this is a little bit harder of a surface, and I think much better for original builds, when you're building up a kit or something. Now we can take a look at their other newest product, that is the Jet Blaster Turbo Air Blaster. These things come in really handy, much easier to use than an air compressor, lugging an air compressor around if you're taking it to the track or anything. I've heard these in the pits all over at different tracks I've run at, and I use it here in the workshop a lot. This is the newest version, 130 cubic feet a minute, and it also has this adjustment knob on the back, which is a nice upgrade from the standard blaster. So you have a low, medium, and high setting, because sometimes you just want to get into the areas with a lower setting. That adjustment is just a great additional feature, and then these are some of the parts that it comes with. So it also comes with some replacement foams for the bottom, because that's where the air intake is, that's where the dirt is going to get stuck to, and then they have the additional nozzles here. So there's the larger rubber nozzle, the smaller, more concentrated unit, and then the wide blaster there. Comes with some decals and a really long cord for it. That's what I really like. But this stuff is going to be helpful here in the workshop. Again, we use a lot of Cow RC stuff. Here's a little bench I have set up where I build and work on some cars, and I think that new mat is got to go right over here, and I might just swap it out before I start building that SCX10 Pro. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you back soon.